Welcome back, children. Last class we were discussed about how to create a frame. Click on insert menu, frame option. Just to click OK. One frame is inserted inside your document. If we want to resize this, what should we do? Surrounded by notes, when you move mouse pointer near that corner, your mouse pointer is changed into arrow mark. Just to click and drag it, your frame will be resized. I want to give the background color to my frame. Just simply a white background only. I want to give a background color. For that, select this frame. So what is the means of selection? See, just to click outside, cursor is waiting for outside to type anything here. If you want to type anything inside the frame, just to click inside the frame. See, cursor is here. Now I want to give the background color of my frame. For that, select the frame first. Here, one background color tool option is here. Click this arrow mark. Near this tool, one arrow mark is here. Just click this arrow mark. Here different colors are displayed here. Just to click one color, your background color will be changed. Just I want to change my color. For that, just I am selecting one light color. Other than this color, if you want to select more color, means just you have to click on custom color. From this window, you have to pick any one color and click OK. What color we are selected here, it will be displayed as your background. This is the way to change your background. Next thing, I want to type one word or type something inside my frame. For that, I already told you how to type a sentence inside the frame. Click inside the frame. First click one time outside. After that, click inside the frame. You can able to type. This time changing the size. I am applying italic style. I am applying bold effect to my letters. Just applied here. I want to resize my frame. Just I am selecting again like this. You have to resize it. Okay, children. Like this way, you have to resize the letters, everything and all. The next activity, I am going to include a picture inside the frame. For this, bring the cursor inside the frame. Next step, after click inside the frame, click on insert image tool. One thing, you have to select the tool directly from the toolbox. Otherwise, click on insert menu image. Now I am selecting the tool from the toolbox. Click it. I am selecting one picture and click open. Now image is inserted inside the frame. Now I want to resize this image. What should I do? I already told you, if you want to resize anything, if it is a frame or picture, you have to click this notes and resize it. Understood? This is the way to resize the picture. Children, next we are going to discuss about Malayalam font. In LibreOffice Writer, we are having different fonts are available like English. Here, this is the font name. You are having different Malayalam fonts. Rachna, Lohit Malayalam, Meera, Kalyani, Raghu Malayalam, like that. First, choose one Malayalam language and how will you change it? In the top panel, default English is there. Click on the top panel and choose Malayalam. Then button will change into ML. To create a greeting card, first thing you have to insert a frame. For that, insert frame and click OK. Default frame will be displayed in your monitor. After that, you know how to change the size. Click and drag it. Here inside that frame, I am going to type the text. You know how to type the text inside the frame. Click one time outside and again click inside the frame. And now I am changing the font size and choose the one Malayalam font also. Here inside this I am going to type in Malayalam. Children, already in the last week class, in Wednesday class, I already sent you one Malayalam inscription. Hope you are all copied in your notebook. In that, you know how to type in Malayalam. In your textbook, in page number 13, one greeting card it's given, Ammaikki Aadaravode. In that, first letter A. How will you type in A in Malayalam? Capital D for A, isn't it? How will you type capital D? Shift and D, isn't it? Like this you have to type the letters. You will get Ammaikki Aadaravode. When you get back to school, you will be given time to practice these activities. Okay. Up to this, your first lesson completed.